Today we talk about how can you find pharmacy on your Walmart app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on account down here. When you just click on account, so that when you click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you scrolling down here until you will find here pharmacy. Just click on it. So when you just click on pharmacy, it's going to show for you like this. In here you will find all things you have. Can you scan to refill here, or here can you refill prescriptions here, and here can you transfer prescriptions. So in this list can you find all things about pharmacy in this list, and here can you schedule now here in this list. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.